nervous right now, I must say. Right. I'm going to hold on to these bars very, very tightly indeed. How you doing? Right. You've ridden this before?
Yeah, last time I was there.
Sorry?
I was last time there.
All right.
Matt.
Are you from the UK, yeah?
No, I ain't from the UK.
You're not? You sound like you are.
I know, can I speak English also?
Yeah, it sounds okay.
Are you from here?
Yeah, I'm here for the fair.
What's that?
I'm here for the first time on one of these. I'm really kind of quite...
It's mad. It's mad.
I was watching and thinking, what the hell am I doing? So we'll see.
I'll tell you, I'll give you a suggestion. Jump.
Jump.
Yeah.
Jump. What, at the top? Jump.
You see, you fly.
Okay, right. Right. So apparently I've got to jump when it gets to the high swing, jump, right, yeah? Okay. We'll see how it goes. I might live to regret this. Oh, damn. Okay, the bars have come down. There's no going back now. I'm feeling nervous. I'm feeling somewhat excited, but you know, here goes. Just to warn you, I might scream on this thing. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I can handle this. Nice and gentle so far. That's fine. That's fine. Oh. Right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right, right. So I've got to jump at some point apparently. Let me know when to jump.
I'll let you know.
A bit higher, yeah? A bit higher.
Yeah, a bit higher.
Okay. Oh, okay. Preview jump there. Here we go. And whoa! Oh! Wow! And jump! Oh! Okay, yeah, I'm jumping. Right. We're getting higher. Oh! Jump ahead! Oh my gosh, that is crazy! That is insane! That is insane! Wow! I almost bashed my head on the cage jumping in the air. This ride is, yeah, woo! Yeah, I'm loving it. Woo! Oh! Yeah. I just jumped just then, by the way. That's why I screamed. I just jumped in the air then, that is crazy. That is insane. Wow. This ride is definitely different, that's for sure. €5 in the normal seats, €6 in the cage. And we're coming to the end now. I'm telling you now, that was absolutely, yeah, that was interesting. Oh God.
I bumped my head on.
Yeah, I almost bumped my head. Yeah. What? I must say that was really good fun. And yeah, I would definitely buy one of these again, 100%.